Hi everyone, Ron Britton here from Legend Brands, reaching out to all of you working to restore homes and businesses damaged by the storm. To help you work safer and faster, I want to remind you that there are some important prevention products available to aid in recovery. First, HEPA Air Filtration is a must, but not all HEPAs are created equal. The Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 is the most advanced professional HEPA air filtration device on the market. Capable of 6 air exchanges per hour in a 7,000 cubic foot area, it has the capacity you need for storm response. The large intake and internal design maximize pre-filter life. The HEPA 700 incorporates advanced synthetic media HEPA filtration that outperforms the competition, achieving an amazing 99.99% efficiency on particles of 0.1 to 0.3 microns. It's easy to clean, super durable, lightweight construction. If you're looking to protect an indoor environment, the HEPA 700 is for you. When it comes to disinfectants, the label is the law. As we speak, manufacturers are flooding the market with antimicrobials. Many of these products are not being applied for their intended use. Mediclean DSP Disinfectant Spray Plus is the right antimicrobial for use in storm cleanup. It combines broad spectrum kill claims with stasis capabilities that inhibit future growth of bacteria and fungi, and is effective against mold and mildew. It can be used on porous and non-porous surfaces alike, and is trusted by thousands of contractors. Both of these products are in stock and available, so contact your preferred dealer and get your order in today. Thank you.